It's a massive event. We've got coaches here from all different levels in Welsh football, from coaches that work in our licensed academy programme or national academies, through to coaches that work in professional clubs all over the world. And it's a real event to showcase the talent inside Welsh football in terms of coaching and development. But it's also a really important event for us to put Wales on the world stage with our coach education programme.
Let's go, play.
I've done all my different badges with Welsh, and it's been great. I liked my experience here, and as you can see from around here, it's great facilities and how they do it. But mainly one thing that I take with me is that they let the coaches have their own identity. It's not that they have to be exactly like they get told to be. So I've experienced coaches from Galatasaray or from Benfica or from Man City or is it Arsenal. Everybody has their take on how football should be played. But then you can listen and learn different things. And what I've heard at some other places sometimes, this is the way you coach and nothing else.
Go on, you play forward.
We're really fortunate. We've got people like Thierry Henry, Freddie Ljungberg, Tim Cahill. All these people have come through our programme will come back now and support the next generation of coaches.
Well done, White, very good.
We really see that as an enriching process to really help drive us forward as an association, to have those people come back and share their experiences.
He already knows our guy is dead.
And then we've got Richard Davies, who's just got to Europe with Cynhadledd and coached from a domestic game that really benefit from that experience of different lenses, and that really helps our coaches coming through a system to understand about the elite game and how it can help Welsh football is really important to us.
So yn ôl gen ni'r play-off final, ddim yn pen y mont adra, gemyn mawr i fynd i Ewrop, so oedden ni gael ffodus i ennill hwnna, a wedyn, wrsos wedyn, dwi'n y National Conference ar y Pro Ices.
Mae fi a Rich, ni'n rhan y tîm sydd yn semi-professional, a ni'n rannu profiadau gyda pobl sydd wedi wario yn y cwpan byd ennill gyngor Lloegr a pethau, so mae'n pwysig iawn i cael yr ystod na. Maen nhw'n dysgu oddi wrthyn ni hefyd rai pethau ni'n sôn am.
Mae'n ysbrydoli chi eto a mae'n jyst rhoid y buzz na i chi o fod o gwmpas peers yn pobl sy'n passionate amdano y gêm rhyfedd chi a wedyn eto just networkio ar hanes syniadau lle.
Why I choose the FA Wales is because I heard my assistant before in Antalya, he was here and he only said very, very good things about the FA Wales, and as I can say right now, after a few months, it's the perfect decision I took because I have the feeling I learn every day, even if it's online or here. It's an amazing thing, and that's why I choose FA Wales, or they choose me finally.
Lily, that was the right decision to go over then, because you couldn't see anyone's feet. Well done.
Rydych chi gallu cymryd rhywbeth o pob session, ti'n gwybod, mae llawer o bobl yma, a maen nhw'n siarad, a chi'n cael pethau allan o hynna hefyd. So mae'n achlysur arbennig i pob hyfforddwr.
It's a player's game. It's all about them, but I think it's very important as a coach to give them the feeling that you are part of it, you know, that you are into it, that you take care of the details, that you make them smile, you know, is also very important, that you always trigger them with key points, sometimes on a negative way to create a positive, you know, sometimes to be very positive because they have a down, you know, and I would say that I'm a very active coach, yeah, and I want to be like have a bond with my players, and that's my coaching philosophy on the pitch, to be honest.
Come on, 4 players here.
Be wedi yw bod y profiadau mae pobl yn cael yn anhygoel. Mae'r agosatwydd rhwng y grwpiau chwaraewyr, hyfforddwyr, pobl sy'n rhoi cyrsiau ymlaen. Mae'r cameradri yna, mae'r hwyl yna, ond hefyd y profiadau chi'n cael second to none. So, fyswn ni'n annog unrhyw un i ddod fan hyn yng Nghymru i ddysgu ac i rannu profiadau nhw hefyd.
Guys, there's no opposition. They made you work before.
Wrth y modd cael bod yma penwythnos yma, mae wedi bod yn gret cael bod efo bow. A mae wedi bod yn gret cael rhoid yr crys coch yn ôl ar ddrai goch yn ôl ar.
We want people to go away from the environment, whether they work in grassroots football or they work at the very top end of the game. The coach is responsible for driving that positive culture. So how can a coach who's working in grassroots football or a national academy programme in Wales actually apply some of these principles? Because for me, a positive culture costs nothing in terms of resources. It's just a human interaction. So this conference really is aimed at all people across Welsh football at all levels. We firmly believe that obviously having a positive culture really enables high performance and is a conduit to ensuring that the environment is a really thriving environment.